Today I am giving some essential instructions on the fifth and sixth stages of Tenin Mahamudra, which are identifying our very subtle mind and realizing our very subtle mind, Jara. Having accomplished the fourth stage of Tenin Mahamudra, and that is the realizing our own subtle mind directly. We continue to meditate on our own subtle mind during long deep sleep. We continue to meditate on our own subtle mind during a long deep sleep. And when our inner winds, naturally enter, abiding, and dissolve into the central channel, with the subtle memory, we should recognize the 8 signs of this dissolution. From the mirage-like appearance to the clear light, Our mind of sleep that experiences the 8th sign of this dissolution is the clear light of sleep. Our mind, having recognized the 8 signs of this dissolution, and that our mind that experience the 8th sign of this dissolution is clear light of sleep. In the beginning, it is the initial example clear light. And this means that it is not a fully qualified clear light, because the dissolution of inner wind into the central channel is partial. Because it is not fully qualified in clear light, because dissolution of inner wind is partial. However, we continue to meditate on this initial example, clear light, continually during the long deep sleep, continually day by day, month by month, until it transforms into the ultimate example, clear light of sleep. And by doing this, when our initial example, clear light, transformed into the ultimate example, clear light, clear to sleep, we attend the ultimate example, clear light of sleep. At this time, we have accomplished the 5th stage of Tenin Mahamudra. That is the identifying our very subtle mind identifying our very subtle mind. We then engaging. We should then engage in the next stage, the last stage, engaging the sixth stage of Tenin Yamamudra. Then we should engage the sixth stage of Tenin Yamamudra. That is the realizing our very subtle mind directly, directly. Again, in having accomplished the 50 stages, and that is the identifying our very subtle mind. We continue to meditate on our ultimate example, Kilite of sleep. Kilite. And during the long sleep, continually, day by day, month by month, until it transforms into the meaningful life. And by doing this, when our ultimate example, Kilite, transformed into the meaningful light, we attained the meaningful light. At this time, we have accomplished the sixth stage of Tenin Yamamudra. That is the realizing our very subtle mind directly, from where we will directly attain full enlightenment. The between ultimate example light and the meaningful light, we will attain the divine illusory body. As I already explained it before, between ultimate example, clear light, and meaningful light, we will attain the divine illusory body, which is the deathless body. At this time, our very subtle inner wind, and our very subtle body is transformed into the divine illusory body in the aspect of an intended enlightened deity, such as Heruka. But the color of the illusory body necessarily is white, and because it is substantial cause, that is the very subtle inner wind is white color. The moment we attend divine illusory body, our man body necessarily is a divine illusory body, not a human body. No, the moment we attend illusory body, our man body necessarily is a divine illusory body, as Heruka, white Heruka, and not human body, not human body. Since our man body, the divine illusory body, will never die, and this means that we ourselves now is a deathless person, and become a deathless person. However, in order to communicate with the human beings, and in order to engage in daily human activities, we need to keep human form as a temporary body. Through keeping human body, human form as our temporary body, we can communicate with the ordinary human being and engage in daily human activities as normal, as normal. Okay. And after we attend meaningful light, then our divine illusory body transforms into the Buddha's form body, and our mind of meaningful light transforms into the Buddha's mind of omniscient wisdom. Same time, we ourselves become an enlightened being, as Buddha Heruka, and with the entire Pure Land of Buddha Heruka mandala surrounded by countless enlightened heroes, heroines. So we accomplished a final ultimate goal for living beings. We have reached our final destination.